In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Steam with your system startup, making your gaming experience even more seamless and accessible. If you're tired of having to open Steam manually every time you power up your computer, then this guide is perfect for you. We'll take you through a series of simple steps to ensure that Steam launches automatically whenever you start your system. First things first, you'll need to start by opening your Steam application. If you don't have the shortcut readily available on your desktop, you can find it by navigating through your applications menu. Once the app is open, you're going to want to log into your account, if you haven't done so already. Clicking on the login button will take you to the appropriate page where you can enter your account details. Be sure to input your account name and password correctly to avoid any login issues. After you've successfully logged in, click on the Sign In button. This will bring you to your Steam homepage. Don't worry if you see a lot of information or updates, they won't distract us from our main aim here. Now direct your attention to the top left corner of the application window. You'll notice the Steam tab nestled up there. Go ahead and click on it to open a drop down menu. From this menu, select the settings option. This is where we can customize how Steam behaves when your computer boots up. A new window will open up, showcasing a variety of settings you can adjust according to your needs. For our purposes today, look for the interface section in the list on the left hand side of this window. Once you are in the interface settings, you'll see an option that says Run Steam when my computer starts. This setting is what allows Steam to open automatically with your system startup. Make sure to check this box. By doing so, you're turning on this feature, which means that next time you power up your computer, Steam will automatically open without you having to lift a finger. This can be a real time saver, especially if you're eager to jump straight into your games without the extra step of launching Steam first. And that's it, you've now successfully set up Steam to open automatically with your system startup. This small adjustment can make a big difference if you're an avid gamer or just someone who likes having Steam readily accessible. Remember, these settings can be adjusted anytime, so feel free to revisit them if you want to make any changes in the future. Thanks for following along and happy gaming.